to another video today. Day in the life again. My thing is literally lagging, bro. I'm trying to end order, bro. Let's see how when it gets more. God, guys. Wait.